Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari border, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. The most demanded one. We have a beautiful blue here, copper sulphate blue with mild green tinge pallu, zari lines in the pallu, and we have a plain blouse piece in same pallu color with zari borders. One side we have green border, and this is zari, very elegant green saree, light green color, and dark copper sulphate blue is used for printing the floral pattern all over, closely printed one, and the pallu color borders is given for the zari border also. Very excellent one, a demanded one too with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful lavenderish pink color saree, almost lavender pink shade with same color blouse piece. One side block printed blouse piece it is. Zari lines as due to the pallu. Complete saree is in single color, and it is a very pretty lavender and pink mixed color. Beautiful one. The complete prints are in contrast, yellow and pink shades, and we also have white prints all over. Very different color, rare collection with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Beautiful yellow saree here, the most demanded one. Pallu is also in yellow with the floral design printed, as well as we have the zari lines in the pallu, and plain blouse piece. A very beautiful, attractive yellow. Excellent color, not very bright, so it gives a beautiful look to the saree. With the prints completely in white, mango design printed in both side borders along with the border design printed. Elegant one with zari border, it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful radiant light green color pallu with zari lines vertically, and same color blouse piece. The blouse piece also have zari borders. The complete saree have the zari borders in the green base color that is in the pallu on the blouse. The saree is in half white, dull half white color, very beautiful one. The prints completely is done using black color, kodi as well as floral pattern, elegantly printed with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful blue saree here in same color pallu, zari lines and block prints in vertical way in the pallu, and we have same color blouse piece with zari borders. The most demanded saree, and color of the saree is a very pretty one, neither royal blue nor navy, something between both. Beautiful diagonal checks pattern, very elegant one, done using half white color. Excellent, simple and most demanded saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful red pallu with zari lines vertically, same red blouse piece with one side, border design also printed. The most demanded saree, restocked for customers' choice, and the half white saree, it is almost a Tassa color with multiple palm leaf design printed, multiple colors used here, you can see, with the red borders in both sides. Very elegant saree, classy looking one with multiple colors, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey and blue pallu, very beautiful zari lines and zari border on the pallu with the blue. It's a beautiful blue shade blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The body is in half white tinge, and it have a mild green and blue mixed tinge also. It's not completely half white, with mild blue tinge it is. The complete printing is done using the dark blue. It is a different beautiful blue with the borders also in the blue color. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful multicolor pallu with zari lines. Vertically the colors are given with almost a brick red color blouse piece. One side dark burgundy colors given for the borders. Very elegant multicolor beautiful saree. The main color of the saree is blue, almost a navy blue color in the middle. Beautiful droplets design done in half white, and we have two color borders, the orange and brick red. The zari borders are done on the dark burgundy color. Very beautiful one, multicolor. Excellent concept with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark choco brown, almost a burgundy brown color saree with beautiful prints and zari lines in the pallu with same color plain blouse piece. The complete saree is in same running color with only the contrast buttas, that is a block printed design. We have a very different border design as well as the body design, that is a circle pattern done using half white color. Beautiful dark base and the buttas are in white color. Very elegant with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful red, dark red color saree with same color pallu, zari lines and vertical printed design in the pallu with same color blouse piece. Very elegant color, almost maroon shade. Beautiful one, completely closely printed design. Small design too. It is done in half white color with border design also printed. And we have beautiful zari border, gold zari border, which is also pretty with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful ananda blue color pallu with yellow prints, the fish pattern along with zari lines in the pallu, and we have same blue blouse piece with one side dark blue color borders. It's a navy blue color saree with the borders of light blue in both sides, the ananda color blue with the prints in yellow. On the center part we have the prints in half white and green. Beautiful one, blue and blue combination with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed foiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark ink blue, beautiful color, completely in same color. The pallu also in same color with zari lines and vertically printed design. And we have plain blouse piece in same color, Prussian dark blue it is. And we have beautiful same color with the prints in half white. Here and there a beautiful design is printed. It is a kind of floral, and we also have border designs printed in both sides of the saree. The saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark royal blue color pallu with white prints, and we also have zari lines on black base. Same royal blue color, bright blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The body is in grey base with beautiful prints that is closely printed in half white color. The borders are in royal blue and the border is extended in the lower half with beautiful white prints, the mango design and leaf pattern. Elegant combination, very beautiful one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful purple and violet base color saree, very excellent one, different color with dark burgundy choco brown color and pink mixed color. It is very different color blouse piece. Saree is in purple and blue mix light color with the prints in dark blue and burgundy, and we also have a lower border that is in burgundy base color. Very elegant one, multiple prints used for it. Excellent design with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful dark red color saree, completely in the same color. The pallu also with block prints and zari lines. Same color blouse piece, running color, but a very attractive color it is. Dark red, beautiful one with zari borders and antique finish border. And we also have printed one in the lower half alone. Almost a half and half pattern. The lower half is completely printed using the half white color. Elegant and excellent color, attractive color saree with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful running pallu with zari lines and zari border. Rust color blouse piece, contrast one with one side grey borders. You can see the rust color comes in the pallu also. Complete grey saree with the rust color borders. The zari border is done on rust base with the floral printing done here and there, block printed. Beautiful color. Yellow one, half white is used for the printing. Elegant and simple saree with contrast border and comes with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful different color saree, a blue and green mixed color it is, almost a sea blue with mild green tinge and same color pallu with the zari lines and white block prints. Excellent color, a pastel sea blue and green mixed color. Beautiful one, the block prints also very different. And you can see the border design completely printed using half white color. Excellent color combination saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, a maroon shade with zari lines and block prints, and we have same maroon blouse piece. The saree is a very different one. You can see only the top half we have maroon, except that fully it is half white color on it. Black is used for printing. Very different block prints used here. Very elegant one, very different one too. All over the saree is printed in the same way with the borders along in maroon shade. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, yellow and pink shade vertically done along with zari lines and block prints, and the same pink color blouse piece, completely pink with zari borders along. And the saree is in yellow base. It's a very different yellow, almost in a goldish mango yellow shade. And we have the top with half white base color. In the bottom we have the yellow base itself with the prints. Very different design, elegant one too with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful bottle green color pallu with printing in black, and we have the same bottle green blouse piece. One side we have the black border. The complete saree is in black and green combo. Excellent majestic black on the top, the zari borders on green base. We also have a big border in the lower half with the prints that is done in the pallu also. And next we have the checkerboard pattern, half white and black checks pattern. Very elegant one, very different and very beautiful design. An excellent color combo, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful maroon pallu with white block prints, beautiful floral pattern along with zari lines, and we have maroon blouse piece itself with one side royal blue color borders. The saree completely is in maroon and blue combo. Royal blue color, light royal blue. Both sides we have the maroon borders with beautiful floral printing all over using white color. Elegant one, combination is very pretty with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroon pallu with zari lines. Same maroon color blouse piece, pallu color one and contrast one for the body. Very elegant saree, different printed, almost like batik. Beautiful half white color, and on it red is used for the batik kind printing, and we have very darkly printed grey color rose design printing all over the saree. The borders are in half white base itself with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful light green color saree with prints in the pallu and zari lines also in the pallu. Same running color, same color blouse piece also, completely in single color concept with only the buttas and the prints are in contrast half white color. Very elegant design, the mango printed in both sides of the saree beautifully along with the border design. Excellent color also with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black pallu with zari lines and zari border. Same in jet black color blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The body have very beautiful design, half white base with brush painted design in the saree. You can see a arc design, very elegantly brush painted using yellow, blue and black. And we also have a beautiful printing design in the black also. The lower part is completely printed using a floral design, very elegantly, closely with red part. Beautiful one with authentic self mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful maroon and black pallu with prints in white, very elegant one with zari lines also. And we have same black color, check black blouse piece with one side Rama green borders. The saree is in beautiful Rama green and red combo. Excellent color, dark shade Rama. You can see the red base in the both sides of the saree, very elegant one with the prints in multiple designs. You can see birds as well as geometric pattern. Very elegant one with the black borders in both sides. Very elegant, beautiful combination with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful copper sulphate blue pallu with zari lines and beautiful block prints in black and white. And we have same copper sulphate blue color blouse piece with one side orange borders. The orange is a rusty orange here, a brown mixed orange color. Beautiful one, a rustic color almost with the black and white prints in both top and bottom. One in a row in the top and two in a row in the bottom. The blocks are done like that with the copper sulphate blue zari border base in both sides. Very elegant combination saree, different one, new design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful black pallu with zari lines and zari borders, antique kind zari used for the black, and we have same black blouse piece, pallu color, plain one, very contrast one to the body. The body is done two different kind of printing, Egyptian prints as well as the tribal pattern, printed all over the saree on half white base, pink used for the printing. Very elegant design, magenta pink color, and we have the borders in black. Excellent trendy design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green pallu with block prints in the fish pattern, printed using half white, and on it the royal blue is used here. And we have same green, a light green color, parrot green at most, with one side pink borders. The saree is in beautiful pink between plain portion, and the top and bottom we have the printing design, fish pattern as well as a leaf pattern horizontally printed. And we also have the beautiful hand fan design, very elegant one. And the borders are in a pretty green, ultimate contrast nature saree, very beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey pallu with block prints in half white and blue, pink, and we also have zari lines. And the grey is given for the blouse piece also. The pallu color, the body color is a very different one. New design here, almost a Rama green in the middle portion, that is a plain portion. And after that we have the half white portion with pink prints. Very elegant one, the forest tribal pattern, as well as we have geometric design, leaf, and many designs are given in one single saree with the grey borders in both sides. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a brownish maroon shade pallu with fish motifs in one side and zari lines in the main pallu, and the same color is given for the blouse piece as well. Almost maroonish red it is. The saree is in black with both sides we have the prints in half white. Beautiful fish pattern printed on both sides very elegantly using the shades of red and orange, and the borders are in pallu color. Temple borders also given with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a multicolor pallu, grey, red as well as black is there in the pallu vertically with zari lines, and same maroon color blouse piece. One side we have black borders. The saree is in very different light color, half white with yellow tinge, and the complete saree have batik printing also, done using dark pink color, and we have a beautiful different design printed in the saree using black and pink. You can see the lower bottom, we have maroon base display. Excellent saree, multiple designs with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green pallu, almost a parrot green color, little darker shade, and we have zari lines in the pallu with same color blouse piece, contrast one for the body, very contrast, ultimate combination. Excellent magenta pink shade saree with the green borders, and we have the prints only in the lower half of the saree. Very elegant one. The prints are in yellow and white color. Excellent color combination, beautiful one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful red pallu, zari lines and vertical red prints done in the pallu with same red color blouse piece. Very attractive red it is with one side grey borders. The saree completely is in grey shade with all over printing design done using half white and red. Closely printed floral, small flowers design. Very elegant one with zari borders in both sides. Elegant combination with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, zari lines and block prints, very beautiful design, and we have same color blouse piece with zari borders. The complete saree is in running pink color, almost in a magenta shade. Beautiful Pochambali kind bird design printed all over here and there, very elegantly with a very different temple border in both sides of the saree. Beautiful, the prints are completely done using half white with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark indigo blue color pallu with zari lines and same blue blouse piece, completely a dark color. Contrast is also a dark color here. Body color is dark choco brown. Beautiful color. You can see the borders in the deep blue color, and the lower part of the saree we have the prints that is done using white and yellow. Very beautiful floral design with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful blue saree, almost a royal blue color, with same color pallu, zari lines and vertical block printed design with same color blouse piece. On one side we have the block printed border design. The border design continues in the saree as well. Beautiful design mango printed here and there in the saree. Elegantly multiple colors used for it. Different concept, beautiful color, ever lovable blue with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful purple base color pallu with zari lines and block prints. Same purple blouse piece, very different color. And we have a contrast dark magenta pink, black mixed pink it is. Excellent color with black prints. And we also have a white border in the lower part with purple leaf pattern printed on it. The zari borders are on the base, purple itself. Very elegant one. Different color combination, a rare color with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. So we have a beautiful maroon color pallu with green floral prints and zari lines in the pallu. Same color blouse piece. Contrast one for the body with one side grey borders. The saree is in grey in color with big floral prints, green and half white used for the rose design printing, and the both top and bottom border we have the maroon base with the forest design printed all over using half white. A lady with a deer with beautiful trees design. Excellent one with authentic silk.